Yeah, we are ready.
This will be the last time we're gonna wash it. Ready? Let's go!
Amazing, brand new. So right now the paint has been dry. So now we don't want to waste any more time, guys. We want to go and jump to the sandpapering. Yeah, guys. So what we have to do right now, sandpaper this complete car with 1,200, and after that with the 2,000. Yeah. So this car have to be completely re-sandpapered once more, and after that we can do the polishing, guys. So this will be the last process, guys. We finished paint, we finished removing all those papers. Now the paint looks really good, but still we are not finished, because as you saw the polish, we did it, still there's a lot of dust from the polish left. Right now we have to wash it one more time. Yeah, and this will be the last time we're gonna wash it in here. After that we're gonna put all those parts back. The car is looking good now, guys. As you can see, the color looks so amazing. This place to see the color properly in the full detail, you have to take it out. Yeah, so after this we're gonna install all the items, and after that, if we finish, if we have the time, we're gonna take it out. If not, so it'll be tomorrow, guys. Let's go and wash it one more time.
This will be the last time we're gonna wash it. Ready? Let's go! 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 Go!
as you saw the video guys, it's not totally easy to paint a car, and you're painting a complete car. That's so much hard, guys. But we did it, guys. At last, the car is completely painted, guys. And that's the front bumper, that's also complete. And now it's time to fit the parts we opened. So we didn't open that much parts, we just opened the front bumper with the headlight. If you remember how was the condition for the headlight, guys, in that video also I told you we're gonna go and clean it up. Now the light is clean, and I'm sure no one can believe those lights can be clean, and we managed to clean those headlights. Now I'm gonna show you the headlight. This is the headlight, yeah. The left side, guys, looks absolutely amazing, brand new. Okay, the light is already, guys, this is the two light. Let me show you a small video to compare the old headlight to this new headlights video. How was those headlights look like before? Oh, yeah, guys, we managed to clean it. Tried my best to make my time to record a proper video, but guys, I couldn't do because I don't have that much time. But on the future videos, on the future cars, for sure I'm gonna teach you people how we clean those headlights. So now we don't talk so much, guys, let's go and fit the old part back. Woo! So this was the two bracket comes for the holding the front bumper. So one of them was damaged, this one, so we're not gonna put back, we're gonna throw it out, and I bought a new one, and this old one was good, so we're gonna fit this too, and after that we're gonna fit the headlight. So this is the first glass. As you can see, it's pure clean. The headlight, we clean it up, amazing. Let's fit our headlight. So this is the first headlight, we fix it up. Fit the first one, I put the socket, let me put the other headlight as well, and after that we're gonna check up the headlight. After that we're gonna switch it on and check everything does work or no. So we fit the headlight, now we wanna try it, guys. Always remember, whatever you wanna fit in a car, check it before you close everything, guys. So now we're not gonna fit the front bumper. First thing, we're gonna check the headlight. If headlight, everything's working, because this headlight have lot of system on it. So first thing, you have to check the HID. After that, we're gonna check the AFS motors, everything. So we're gonna check it up now. So we have a problem. As you can see, this headlight looks, the HID looks pure white, but in this side it looks like orange. So we have to change the HID bulb. So we're gonna do that because we want to look at exactly at the same. Guys, yeah, we have at least 6 design of the HID bulbs, and all of them are original. So we're gonna see which one have exactly the same number on another side. So we find what I need to fit on this car. Yeah, they're gonna go and fit it to my car. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Ooh, yes. Now it looks similar. This is the right side and this is the left side. So we want to get it a little bit far. Right now they are looking similar. Yeah, this is the right side and this is the left side. Okay. Now it's time to go and fit the front bumper. 1, 2, 3. So we fit our front bumper as well. So now we have to add the front grille. So we're gonna do that as well right now. Let's go. Woo! So we fit the grille as well. Fit everything, guys. The headlight is set up, the front bumper is set up. It looks so amazing, guys. And of course we had the new grille as well. So right now what we're gonna do, we have to fit the side mirror. Let's go and fit up the side mirror. 1, 2, 3. Just fit side mirror. Yeah, side mirror is complete. Now it's time to go and fit the handle. 1, 2, 3. So that's also done. The handle. Now it's time to, it's getting dark, I'm so much tired as well, so we'll be back tomorrow here to finish the trunk, because the stop light, the covers, everything we didn't fit it now, so it's getting too dark. I'm so tired as well, so we just go and watch ad break. I'll be back soon. Yeah, welcome back. Now it's time to fix everything from the back, what we opened. So we're gonna take you there. Exactly, I'll show you what exactly we opened from the back. From the back we open all those tail light, stop light, and of course the spoiler for the number plate plates. So now we're gonna fix all of those things as well. So we have to fit 2 lights in here, and of course 2 lights on that side. So now we're gonna fit everything from the back. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Let's do a magic trick. 1, 2, 3. Yes, we fitted those parts as well. Now the car looks so clean. this will be end of this video, guys. Thank you so much. Still, I did show you the car on the sunlight. Next video, guys, we're gonna take this car out and show you properly how's the paint job. And if you guys enjoyed this kind of videos, make sure to like this video, subscribe, comment down below what you think about my work. And yeah, we're gonna be right back tomorrow, guys, to take out this car for a small ride. We'll see how it looks on the sunlight. Yeah, take care, goodbye, and peace.